I did.
I should note here, the woman texted him back but did not engage him. She tells police that she felt totally intimidated by this.
Good hummingbirds.
She hadn't responded. She worried that Kratz would have
having fun.
the case out. After she complained, Kratz stopped working.
Drinking their sugar.
State's District Attorney Association
They're going so fast.
Also,
flying.
They're saying that he should sit in the same seat.
Whoa, that one came real close.
That he prosecutes.
Oh, look at him drink. Oh, there's a third one there.
Certainly most agree morally and professionally, which is why Ken Kratz finishes number 1 on the list you don't want to be on.
I got it all on footage here.
By the way, when we come back, we're hearing more from Chad about what's going on or what did go on in New York City last night. With
3 of them drinking.
All 3 of them on there?
Yep. They never do that, or what, Miss Adler? Well, they're real territorial, though. That one up there, I think, already gave up on him. There's a 4th one. Yeah, there's about 5 flying around. They're flying everywhere.
People like watching it rain, as long as they're not outside, but I'm home. I'm always outside. I make being inside possible. Look, do me a favor, get flood insurance. Floods can devastate your home.
Little hummingbirds. Size is my index finger. Some of them smaller. God's creations.
Keeping up with the Joneses, you better keep up with the Garcias. Solar California reports. Latino America. CNN is ready in Sunday night 82.
Cardless Toyota is responding to current market conditions with 2 immediate options. 1, Cardless will pay you book value to buy back your Toyota. 2, you can save $10,000.
Just bored at work. Catching some good footage here of these little tiny birds. Their wings are going so fast you can't even. The camera can't even. Yeah, you can see how fast they're going. Those wings. Wow. That's something there.